Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on WhatsApp. To not fix or how to solve Donald on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click up default apps app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this page of app info you click on force stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.